What's up? What's up? This is Adrian Chase, and this is Chase. We're out here with my boy Matthew Reed with 20D Ministries doing Typewriter Ministries, which is a blessing.
Yep.
So we're out here visiting from Iowa, and of course, I got to stop by and see my boy Matt. And so we positioned ourselves to do this today, which is also a beautiful day in Denver. And we have a few testimonies and stories to share of others being delivered from the sweet poems that Matthew was able to hear from God for others. And so we have Cody, and Cody was able to reveal that his dad has skin cancer and was holding on to the pain of it. Through this, he had many sleepless nights and just could not talk to anyone about those pains that he's been dealing with. You have Arushi. She was here with her sister and 2 children, which was awesome. And her experience was life is extremely fast and no sign of slowing down. When that poem hit her and she said that, I can tell whether it was her boyfriend or husband, he was tearing up in the background because when he heard that, it almost hit him where he felt like he didn't have the time with her because how fast her life was going.
Wow.
Also, on top of that, she kind of almost has a lack of emotion toward people in a sense to where when she's done, and she forgets the person and off she goes. And then during that time, Matthew had a word for her boyfriend or husband that he had an ankle pain, and he revealed the day before that he went snowboarding and twisted his ankle. So it really hit him. And he was like, well, how'd you know these things? And that's when we got a chance to share about God and so forth in their life. Then you have Amanda. And that one was wrapping people around her like a blanket. Like she just loves so hard that she just wants to wrap every being in a blanket, but to a fault in a way. We have Sarah. Pours out strength to a fault. So like she's that type of person where it's hard for her and she doesn't know boundaries. So she's kind of pouring and doesn't know when to kind of stop that lever of pouring, and it can hurt her to a fault. Then we have Brandy, and she has we saw with Brandy that she has several children, including also nieces and nephews. And that what really touched her was the part when she spoke about when Matthew gave her the word to her about love, on how hard that she loves. And she mentioned that she loves so hard that she's trying to help her boyfriend stop the addiction that he has. So that one pretty much concludes our testimony here.
Yep.
We love you guys. Peace.
Peace.